What's up, Wagwan? So guys, I'm off from work now in the morning, and I want to take the time out to say blessings, my peeps. Put God first and give God thanks for each day. All right, my peeps, each day you're awake and you have life, health and strength, family, loved ones, and you have a roof over your head and you have food to eat, you have a job. You're blessed. So just keep the faith and keep pushing. All right, guys, I'm all in the natural healthy stuff. My husband gave me this idea. I think he saw somebody did it, or he saw it flashing across Facebook, and he said I should try it. All right, so it's the first time I'm doing this. It's a natural detox. All right, home remedy. So guys, but I add some ginger to it because I know ginger is really good for you. So I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna make it, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do a follow-up, and then I'm gonna tell you. All right, so this video is a natural detox video for cleansing your colon and just give you a good clean out, a good wash out. All right, guys, and all these ingredients are natural ingredients, really good home remedy. All right, first we're gonna start with apple cider vinegar. We have some honey, raw honey. All right, we have a little bit of cayenne pepper. If you want to up the cayenne pepper, it's up to you if you can't manage too much spice. A little bit of cinnamon. We have a little bit of ginger, and we are gonna put 2 teaspoons lemon juice. All right, you can use lime as well. And we're gonna start off by adding 1 cup of boiling water. All right, and then I'm gonna squeeze 2 teaspoons lemon juice. You can judge it, guys, or you can measure. 1 2. Let me take out the seed. Where is the seed? We don't want the seed in it. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna add my ginger. You can use the ginger extract, or you can blend it and then you strain it and use it after, but this is good enough for me. And you just need a little piece of ginger like this. All right, guys, this is paint and it can't come out. All right, all right, get back into the video. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Remember, 2 teaspoons. All right, 1, a little bit more, 2. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Please measure, guys. That's good. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Now this I'm gonna measure because I don't want too much pepper in it. This amount, about maybe less than 1/4, but about roughly 1/4 teaspoon. All right, you want to mix it on in, and the last thing you're gonna add is 1 teaspoon honey, raw honey. That's good. Natural detox. And guys, that's it right there. Look at that, all done. You can let it sit and then you can strain it and just drink it down. But you know me, a country girl, all what me I gotta do, me I gotta squeeze out the ginger juice in it and just drink it like that. I'm gonna taste it for you. Wow, it's strong, it's tangy, but it's also good, and it's not sweet because it's only a little bit of honey in it. So this is good for you guys, good to clean you and build your body. All right, natural, healthy, homemade remedies. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed, and put God first. All right guys, see you later. Mwah. Blessings.